Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. And this video will just continue from the previous one for the ModelMapper. So in this video we will go in detail with the ModelMapper. Alright, we just continue with the example account detail here. So for example, now we want to add another field relative to the department. For example, you can go to the department entity, department, and see we have more fields like a total member here. And now you want to add the total member into the account detail. So how you can do that? Alright, first you need to create a field, and the total member is the integer data type, right? And now first you need to if you want to access something in the department inside the account, so you need to go through the account entity, and we see here we have the department field, right? So you want to access one thing or one field inside this, you need to type it first, department. You can copy this and go to the account detail and pass here, and then you want to get a field inside it, the total member. So you can copy this and go back to the account detail and pass it here, and don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the field for the total member. And now we added a field which can be auto assign the value by the ModelMapper. Just put the correct name. Alright, and now you can run the program and see result. Just open your Postman. Yeah, well, we have an API for get a list account here. Alright, the server is started. Just send. Yeah, I think we should review the project first. I don't know why, but every time I restart a server, I always need to I always have to review the project first, and then you can go back to the Postman and set it. Alright, so now we have another field inside your data department total member here. Now we try to create another detail for the department, because now we get a list of account, and now we just switch to department. Create new Java class and create department detail. Okay, and in here we just get something from the department, like the name. Okay, private string name, and we also get a list of account inside the department. A list, account detail, right? But now you shouldn't use the existing one here, so you need to create another class for the account detail inside this, a nested one, and inside this we have the ID, and we also have a username. So why we we shouldn't use the existing one here, because you can see in the account detail we also get some field like department total member inside it, so it may create a loop, so we can get something wrong here, so we don't want that, right? So you should not do that. Just create another one here and get the thing you want to show here, just the ID and the user. We don't want to get more information because here we just get the information from the department. Alright, and here just get the department detail inside this and account. So please notice that the account here is the same name with the variable here, okay, inside the department entity. Just copies the name here and put it, alright, department detail, and put it inside here. Alright, after we have the department detail, we can go to the controller, department controller here, and now we create a get mapping with the value, okay, maybe get by the ID. Okay, so I don't add inside the get list department because I want to show you another another converting to a single detail, not a list. In the previous one, we already have learned about the list, right? We convert the entity list inside a list of detail like this, and now we will learn about how to convert into a single entity, or I'm sorry, into a single detail. Yeah, that's much easier than the previous one, but you need to learn that. Publish department, and department detail, get department by ID, and in here we have the path variable, the name equal ID, and the int ID, and here we just return the service get. Alright, we need to define the method for getting this right. Just go here and create a department detail. No, we just department get department by ID, and just put ID in here and go to the service, implement the method, and here we just return repository and get yeah, not yet, search file by ID, okay, and put the ID in here and get. Alright, and just go back to the department controller, and in here I will create a department equal service get department by ID, and put the ID in here. And now for returning I will use but first we need to auto-y the ModelMapper private model mapper component configuration, and alright, ModelMapper, and here we just use the ModelMapper map the department into department detail class, like this. Very easy, right? This is much more easier than the convert into a list, right? Alright, we have a method to get the department ID. So just rebuild the project again and restart the server again to see what happened. Okay, now you need to duplicate this request, and here is the department with the ID. Try with ID 1. Condition able much. Okay, the sent not acceptable. Alright, to fix the problem, you can see here for the because we missing the getter and setter for the detail, so that's the Json converter cannot get the value from the field. So we need to put the data annotation for this field and also the data for the account detail. Okay, to put it to provide the getter and setter for this class, so that the converter can use in those methods to get the field, okay, get the value of the field. Alright, and then you can rebuild the project. And then check again. Alright, now we have this, and as you can see here, we for the list of account, the field username is null. Why? So now you can see here in the account detail, we have a field named username, and you need to check the account entity and see we don't have any field named the username. We just have one field named name. So we need to change it. Change the department detail with the account detail here with the name only. Okay, and review again. And now let's run again. Alright, now we have the field name. And now we try to add another field inside the department detail. From the department entity, we have another field named the date, right? The created day. Add it. Don't forget to check it inside the department entity. Yeah, this field created day, the same name. Alright, and now review the project and request this API to see what happened with the data, and send. Alright, you can see here we have the day like this. So this is the timestamp. By default, Json will convert this into something like this. And you can see here, it's hard to understand, right? We just see the yeah, we will see all the information, but this is not beautiful format, so we need to reformat it. So to format the JSON, you can go back to the detail and using the annotation name JSON format. Okay, JSON format, and put the pattern. I want year first, and then the month, and then the day, like this. It's up to you. Okay, you can change it by your own, but just remember the syntax for the year, the month, and the day, so you can do anything you want. Alright, just review the project and see the result. Alright, send again. Alright, now you can see here we have a formatted created day with just the date like this. Very easy, right? Okay, I think that's it for this video, and if you have any question, please comment below. And if you like the video, please click on the button like and subscribe to the channel. That will make me happy to create more video for you. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.